Kapit. Ha? Dito sa labas, palabas. Pag nakakuha na kayo dito, sa left side, para walang counterflow. Walang counterflow dito, palabas. Yan. So, prasadam is almost ready. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Do not worry. The prasadam is overflowing. It's overflowing. So we have 108 preparations. Tapos meron pa tayong main preparations which is also napakarami. So huwag kayong mag-alala. Maturanat, Prabhu. Acknowledgement. Jai Gopal, Prabhu. Acknowledgement.
So while Guru Maharaj is giving Maha pictures, so I hope you can listen and follow. All the Prabhus, the starting line will be on this side. Doon kay Prabhu Mark, kay Bhakta Mark, kayo mag-receive, collect ng plates for your prasadam. Similarly, on the other side for the Matajis, doon din sa side kung saan merong paper plate. And then, sinyong mga elders, seniors, who wants to sit down while honoring prasadam, they can sit on this side, my right side, at saka dito sa side na to, for elders and seniors who want to honor prasadam while sitting down. Then the rest can sit on the floor here, anywhere you want. You can sit comfortably and honor prasadam.
We'd like to acknowledge the cooks. Yung maalala ko lang. Right on, of course, the main cook is Gokula Chandra Prabhu, assisted by Akrura Prabhu. Andyan si Akrura, may usuot pa na apron. Assisted by Makanlal Prabhu, Ekabera Prabhu. Ayan, si Bhakta Mark. Si Ojas B, nakita ko rin with his good wife, Mother Pasi. Tumulong din sila sa kitchen. And then sa decoration, ikaw na magsabi, Maturunat Prabhu, sino decoration?
So decoration team is Anandarada Devidasi, Jananivas Prabhu, Radhabhav Mataji, Priti Mai Radha Mataji. And for the garlands, we have Mother Moksha Lakshmi, Manjari, Mohini Rupa Mataji. Yeah, and Radhabhav also helped on making garlands.
Prabhus, pakipila na, Prabhus. Tapos na mga Matajis, kuha na ang picture.
Ako na magbabasa.
Sa donation, si Mother Danishta acknowledge donors.
We would like to say thank you for those donors who made this celebration possible. Malika Devi Dasi, Dhruva Maharaj Das, Shama Bihari Das, Lalita Devi Dasi, Maturanath Das, Ganda Manjari Devi Dasi, Radhikesh Das and his wife Madhurya Premi, Madhumati Devi Dasi, Bringara Das, Hari Priya, naku, hindi ko na mabasa. Swarup Damodar. Ekanath Das, Radha Balava all the way from Cebu, Priti Mai Devi Dasi, Ramachandra Das, Janardan Das, Raghunath Das, Sridham Prabhu, Rupa Mai Radha Devi Dasi, Indrani Devi Dasi, Kashi Mishra. Yung mga hindi ko na-announce kasi late nag-donate, still thank you. And this will be the flow of the distribution of the 108. Listen po, May prasadam for the Prabhus and Matajis. After you get makakuha kayo ng prasadam, if you want to get the 108 preparation, you have to step out and dun po kukuha, hindi po dito sa pinto. You choose one savory and one sweet. Okay, and then dito na po. So marami po. Pwede kayong magpabalik-balik pero one savory and one sweets lang po. Hindi po buong cake. Thank you. Announce ko na rin yung trash bins. Clean as you go tayo. Pakitapon po ng inyong mga plates. There are trash bins all over. Meron din pong trash bins sa likod. And beside the comfort rooms. Tagalogin ko muna.
So once again, the Vyasa Puja celebration is almost over. We're just going to honor Prasadam. We'd like to again, from the very bottom of our hearts, thanks each and everyone who has come and joined with us and attended this very auspicious appearance day of Giridhari Swami Guru Maharaj. Thank you very much. And we hope that you all got enlivened, enriched, inspired. And when you go back sa inyong mga lugar, then you can practice Krishna consciousness more strongly. And of course, we hope to see you again next year sa Vyasa Puja ni Guru Maharaj. Shila Guru Maharaj ki! Shila Prabhupada ki! Sarira Ibijajal, Jodendriya Taikal, Jeve Peli Visaya Sagure, Tarame Jejevayate, Lobamoy Sodormate, Take Jagatina Samshare, Krishna Borodayamay, Kori Bari Jivajay, Shwaprasan Anande Labai, Senamrita Pao, Radha Krishna Gunagaw, Premidako Chaitanya Nitai. Everybody sing together. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasari Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mahabhagavad Gauritai Prasadam ki Jai. Srila Guru Maharaj ki Jai. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Nitai Gaura Pramanande.
Hari Bol.